In this video, I'm going to show you how to send for crown and bridge cases. We do design in 3 different design softwares. The first one up is 3Shape. We do need a complete 3Shape order zipped up into one file. You're going to take that zipped up order, just drag and drop it over to the website, and you're going to notice the border turns blue. With 3Shape and only 3Shape, it will parse out the order with how it was set up in 3Shape. So for this order, it was a crown for tooth number 3. And for every single order, we need you to select design guide codes based on the instructions that pertain to that order. You will need to select the pencil icon to pull these up. Here is where the specific instruction cards sit. You'll want to scroll through and actually click on the codes that apply to what instructions you're trying to convey. Once the instruction cards are clicked, you'll just want to click Apply. You're going to notice it will tell you how many are selected and which ones are selected. If you make a mistake, you can always click on the edit icon, unselect a code, click apply, and you're going to notice that disappears. Over on the left-hand side is where the patient name goes, any instructions that weren't covered by the design guide codes. Turnaround time, we do offer 2-hour and 6-hour rush. At the bottom, if you need to approve design before it goes to an outside manufacturer, you'll want to select the required design approval button. If you're sending to an outside manufacturer through us, you will want to choose that under the destination. When you're done, you're just going to click the blue little paper icon or the blue Send New Orders button. For exocad, we do need the complete file in your CAD data folder zipped up and sent over. When you drag and drop the exocad order to the site, you'll notice the border turns blue as well. Unlike 3Shape, it does not parse out the order. You will need to click on the design type, choose the teeth numbers, and any design guide codes that pertain to this case. On the left is where the patient name goes, any instructions that weren't covered by the design guide, turnaround time, and if you require design approval, you'll need to select that box. Over to the right is the destination. If you're going to be manufacturing it yourself, you're just going to want to choose in-house manufacturing. Because it doesn't parse out automatically, if it's a crown and model or any type of split order, over on the right, you'll need to click on the plus icon. From here, it adds a line, and you'll need to choose the second option. Once you choose your option, you'll want to go over and click on the guide. You'll notice the guide then changes for what you selected. You will want to set up your order completely the way it is in exocad. If it does not match, the designers will place it on hold. For Sirona, we do need the .lab file. You will take the .lab file and drag it over to our site until the border turns blue. Like exocad, you will need to go through and select the design type, teeth numbers, and any design guide codes that pertain to this case. Over on the left is where the patient name goes, any instructions that weren't covered by our design guide. Choose your turnaround time and whether or not you require design approval. Over to the right, you need to choose in-house manufacturing if you're manufacturing it yourself. And then again, you will need to select the plus icon to add that an extra line. Go through, select the design type, your teeth numbers, and any guide codes that pertain to that as well. Once this matches completely what's set up in Sirona, you can then go ahead and choose the blue paper airplane for to submit all cases, or you can send your new order up at the very top.